How to set up your first tax-free savings account and start investing today. And guys, if you only want to start with a small amount, this video is made for you. You can literally invest as low as $1 on any stock or ETF, and that's if you pay attention to this tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to Joyee Yang's investing platform setup tutorial for complete beginners. In this video, I'll be using Questrade, one of the most popular investing brokers in Canada. If you are brand new to investing or if you're not too tech savvy, I'm going to show you step by step on how I personally set up my investing account with Questrade's mobile app. Yes, it's 2025, you only need a phone to start making your money work for you. If you're serious about building your wealth, choosing the right investing platform is important because of 4 key reasons. 1. Financial security. You want to use a broker that is regulated and reliable. That means it's CIPF insured in Canada. Just like how you choose your banks, you want to choose a broker that keeps your investing funds safe and accessible anytime you need. Beginner friendliness. In 2025, anyone can invest to build wealth. Investing is not for the wealthy people only. For regular people like you and I, we have many beginner-friendly options now to start investing with any amount that we feel comfortable with. To find yourself a beginner-friendly broker, I recommend you look for these 3 things. 1. Fractional shares, which means that you can buy a fraction of a stock or ETF with any amount of money that you feel comfortable with. 2. Zero commission fees when you buy a stock. This means there will be no additional expenses for your investment. 3. No minimum deposit required, so you can put $10 or $50 or any amount into your account. Buying fractional shares is my top investing tip for beginners in 2025. I'll explain this concept in detail later in the step-by-step broker setup tutorial. And 3. Order execution speed. A good broker executes your buy and sell orders timely and accurately. As an investor, you want to make sure that you can buy and sell stocks at your ideal prices without having any technical delays. I will demonstrate how you can manage your orders later in the tutorial. And 4. Transparent fees. To minimize your investing costs, make sure you use a broker that clearly explains their fee structure. You do not want any hidden fees that can eat into your gains. So, if you're ready for a step-by-step account setup tutorial, like this video and save it if you need it for future reference. This video is sponsored by Questrade. As a Canadian investor, I'm proud to be partnering with Canada's largest investing platform. Questrade is a 100% Canadian-owned company that's been helping Canadians become more financially successful and secure for over 25 years. They have been named Canada's best online broker for multiple years, including 2025. I have a special sign-up bonus for you guys, but first, let me walk you through how you can set up Questrade and start investing step by step. Go ahead and open up your phone's app store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play if you're using Android. Once you type in Questrade, you'll see their official app called Questrade Mobile. This is the app you want. Tap download. It's completely free and takes just a few seconds. When the download is complete, open up the app. Now we're ready to start setting up your new investing account. Step 2, creating your new Questrade account. On the welcome screen, tap Open an Account. Questrade will ask what type of account you want to open. Don't stress, this is where most beginners get confused, but I'll break it down super simply for you. You'll see a few options like TFSA, which is a tax-free savings account, the RRSP, Retirement Savings Plan, Margin Account, and RESP for educational savings. For my beginners, TFSA could be the one that is best suited for your needs. Because when you invest using a TFSA, all the profits, capital gains, and dividends you earn could be completely tax-free. You can withdraw at any time and you won't owe anything in taxes. Now go ahead and tap TFSA to begin the application. After that, Questrade will guide you through the rest of the account application process. Things like your name, address, social insurance number, and employment info. You can be a student or self-employed as well. These are just the basic information required by law. This whole setup should only take about 10 minutes, and once you're done, you'll submit your application and wait for an email confirmation. Questrade usually approves accounts within 1 to 2 business days, so please make sure to use your primary email address, not the one for your junk mails. Step 3, funding your new TFSA account. After you receive an email confirmation from Questrade, now it's time to fund your account so you can start investing. Open the Questrade app, log in with your email and password, and head to the funding section. You'll see a few different ways to transfer money in. 1. Bill payment. This is the easiest way. Just log into your online banking and add Questrade as a bill payee, just like how you'd pay your hydro or utility or your apartment rent. 2. Pre-authorized deposit. This method lets you automate recurring deposits every month. I personally love it because it helps me invest consistently without overthinking it. 3. Bank transfer or wire. Bank transfer could be a bit slower, but it works as well if this is what you prefer. For most beginners, I recommend starting with a one-time bill payment transfer from your bank. Just search for Questrade-TFSA in your banking app and enter your 10-digit Questrade account number, which you'll find on your welcome email. Once your money arrives, you'll be able to see your available funds in the Questrade app under your TFSA account. When your account is brand new, the transfers usually take 1 to 2 business days to process, so don't panic if you don't see it instantly. Now that your account is funded, let's move on to the exciting part: buying your first stock or ETF. If you are following my tutorials so far, please give this video a like and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Step 4, how to buy your first stock or ETF on Questrade. To start buying your stocks, go to the Trading tab. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Here you can search for any stock or ETF you want to buy. You'll now see the quote page where you'll find the current price, chart, and recent performance. Don't worry if this page looks busy to you. These are just the basic information of the stock that you're buying. Go and tap Buy. Now you'll enter your order details. Account, make sure your TFSA is selected. Quantity, this is how many shares you want to buy. And pay attention now, guys. Let me introduce you to my favorite Questrade feature, fractional shares. Traditionally, brokers would require you to buy at least 1 share. That means you must have enough cash in your account to buy a full share of a stock or ETF, even if the share price is high. Now, let's say you want to invest $50 into the stock market and you want to develop the habit of investing $50 weekly. All you need to do is change the quantity to, the way you calculate this is to divide the market price of the stock by $50, which is your desired amount of capital. This is a great investing habit, by the way. If you're doing something like this consistently, give yourselves a thumbs up. So if you understand the benefit of investing with fractional shares now, comment fractional shares to let me know that you've been paying attention. Order type. Choose market if you want to buy right away at the current price. For beginners, market order is the simplest. Duration, keep it on day. Once you double check your info, tap place order, you'll get a confirmation, and that's how you make your first investment. If you have been following this step-by-step guide, you now officially own an investment inside your TFSA, and your money is now working for you. Next, I'll show you how to set up automatic investing if you want to build wealth consistently without stress. Know your technology. I promise it's not difficult at all to set up a simple automation so that you can invest consistently. Step 5, set up automatic contributions. Optional but highly recommended. If you want to grow your investment portfolio without overthinking every move, this step is for you. Automatic contributions are how I built my 6-figure TFSA. It makes investing feel effortless because your money is working for you on autopilot. Here's how to do it on Questrade. On the homepage, look for something called pre-authorized deposits or recurring transfers. Tap to create a new recurring deposit. Choose your TFSA account as the destination. Set the amount you want to contribute automatically. This could be $100, $250, or whatever fits your budget. Choose how often, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Set your start date and tap confirm. That's it. Now you set up a system where money automatically moves from your bank to your TFSA, ready for you to invest or to automate your investments completely if you want to take it one step further. If you want to learn my automated investing strategy in detail, comment DCA below and I'll send you the link to the free tutorial. If you're interested in using Questrade, you can get $50 straight into your new account using my special code, Joyee50. Or you can click the link in the description of this video to claim this special offer now.